Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to set up our Clover Compact credit card terminal. So one of the first things you're going to do is load up the paper. You're going to see here that here's where the compartment is. You open it like this, use your finger, and you'll be able to see that at least in this terminal it already has the paper covered by a piece of plastic. I'm going to go ahead and set up the paper inside like this. Go ahead and rip it off, and then you can hit the print button just to run a quick test. Here you hit print, and you'll be able to see a test print. Once you're ready, press next. Here you're gonna have the option to turn on the SIM card that comes inside.